Hey there, gorgeous. Hope you're having a great week. Happy Thanksgiving week to you. I am sharing the eyeshadow palette with you that I have been wearing in a lot of my most recent videos. I've had a lot of questions on what I've been wearing on my eyes, and I promised you this video last week, so here it is. The palette that I've been using has been a new release from Alter Ego Cosmetics. This is their Harmony palette. Gorgeous. Very warm toned, but a lot of beautiful shimmers, mattes, and semi-matte formulas within this palette. It's been such a joy to use, and I have found so many amazing looks with it. So I wanted to share those with you up close in tutorial demonstrations today for you. In the event that you get this palette, you try it out, you're looking for a way to wear it, I have some really amazing looks that you can do with it. But first I wanted to show you the swatches of all the eyeshadows up close so you can see the color range that you get within this palette. Like I said, very warm tones in this palette. A lot of burgundies, a lot of pinks, some of these lean kind of purple, a lot of beautiful browns. The colors are very rich. So the first look I have to share with you is the one that I have been wearing the most frequently in a lot of my videos. I've had a lot of questions on this look in particular. It is absolutely stunning. It's a pinkish, purplish combination that really emphasizes the eyes. So if you have blue eyes, brown eyes, green eyes, hazel eyes, no matter your eye color, this is a beautiful eyeshadow combination to really make them stand out. And it's really easy to do. And you can see in the application how smooth the eyeshadows are to apply. They apply evenly. There's no blotchiness. It's really easy to blend them. With the more shimmery shades, like the one I'm using in the up-close example here, I did have to apply them wet. If you don't apply them wet, they won't apply as richly as some of the other shades in this palette, but it's because they have so much shimmer and glitter in them that it takes a little bit more of an oomph to get them to apply to the eyes. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look. It's been one of my absolute favorites to wear thus far from this palette. Now the look that I'm wearing today, this is a very close second, and I love this look in particular. My most favorite eyeshadow out of the entire palette would have to be the one called Tender, because it's the most beautiful light brown, and it's easy to apply, very easy to blend, and it looks beautiful in all the looks that I'm showing you here. The look that I'm wearing in this video took 3 eyeshadows from this palette. Again, another one that is very easy to apply, but because of the pink shimmer on the inner corner of the eye, it really does help to brighten the eyes, bring them forward, and it has a holiday appeal to it. If you're looking for a really great palette for your holiday looks, I feel like this could be a great one for this year. It's simply stunning. So many amazing looks that you can create with the colors in this palette, and they're very festive. By the way, if you're interested in the lashes that I paired up with these looks, I'll have those listed and linked for you below in the description box. The third look that I put together is a very simplistic one to do. I wore this in a video recently, and I had some comments about how blue my eyes looked when I wore this combination, and it really did make them pop. It takes 2 simple eyeshadows from this palette, the shades Amity and Tender. So all I did was I applied Amity all over the lid, and then I applied the shade Tender in the crease, blended it out, and this is the final result that I got. This was one of the looks that I wore in my video where I tested out the Korean hair care routine, and it was a gorgeous look and so simple, but did such amazing things for my eyes. And if you're looking for yet another way to wear this palette, there's also this tutorial of another look that I created with the colors in this palette. I'm telling you, I'm just getting started with this palette. I've been testing it over the past 2 weeks or so, and I am thoroughly enjoying it. It's been the one that I have been picking up the most consistently and really been enjoying. And my son really enjoyed it too, apparently, because He dipped into that really beautiful burgundy shade there and painted my vanity with it. So it's okay. It cleans up, it washes off, you know, but hey, it's a beautiful color and I can see why he loves it. This palette retails for $17, so if you are interested in it, I will have it listed and linked for you below in the description box. I do have an affiliate account with Alter Ego, so if you purchase it through my link, I will earn a small commission that goes towards supporting this channel and our family, so I want to say thank you in advance if you do happen to purchase through my link. And if you try this palette, I have no doubts that you will thoroughly enjoy it, especially if you like a color theme like this. It's really beautiful, well thought out, and you can get so many looks with it. I may have to do another video because I'm loving it. I'm creating so many wonderful looks with it. But yes, let me know your thoughts on this. If you've had the opportunity to try it out, feel free to share your experience below. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to watch. And anytime I discover anything really great like this, I will be sure to share it with you. I am getting excited for Drugstore December. I'm putting together tons of ideas right now. I'm starting to write stuff down. So if you have any requests, things that you would like to see in Drugstore December, please feel free to share them below. For those who are not familiar with what Drugstore December is, because I know we have a lot of new people who have subscribed very recently, thank you, welcome to you. I do a lot more videos in December that's focused specifically on drugstore makeup, products, ideas, ways to save money, etc. And I'm trying this year to do 4 videos a week. I'm gonna try. I have done 5 videos a week in the past, but yeah, my schedule is not as forgiving this year, but I'm gonna try to do 4. We'll see how we do. So pray for me. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you again very soon. I speak love, peace, and joy into you and into your home, and I will talk to you soon.